Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 LARIAT in ingot silver, black leather interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 6.5-foot box. It has a 3.5-liter V6 engine. It's a 4x4. It has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It also has an upgrade of a tonneau cover, as well as the ROUSH Power Pack Level 1, which increases your horsepower by 18 and your foot-pounds of torque by 26. It also has the ROUSH cold air intake kit. And as well, you have a backup camera, as well as backup sensors, a lined box, and so many more features. You can visit us online at islandford.ca. You can also book your test drive at that same location or come in and see us. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. There's also memory for 3 drivers, and you have this nice wood ingrain inlay. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and with the aid of your running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. On your dash, any important messages will appear, and you'll also have a menu, so we can toggle through My View, Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have submenus. In the center you have a little cubby, and as well you have your hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time, and you can touch on your screen, so we can go into audio and go into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You can go into climate. You'll see that you have your dual climate control, and as well you can go into navigation. The map will appear, and then when we put the vehicle in reverse, you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. And we can also go into settings, slide through for different options. You can change the look of your screen, automatic updates, Apple CarPlay, and so forth. There's your volume and tuner, and down below is the dual climate control. You also have heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, as well as your AC and max AC, front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And in the center there's a little cubby, as well as a couple USB. You just press in the center and it'll close it right up for you. An automatic select shifter, and you have drive mode. When you press this, it'll appear on the dash: normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. There's a couple of cup holders, and there's lighting at the bottom. That's your ambient lighting. And then you can open up your armrest. There's lots of room in there. There's a little bin you can take out. There's a 12 volt down below, and then you just pop that all back in. Off to the side is another 12 volt and 110 outlet. You also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder. In the back you have a power sliding window, and that's what that's for. Little wet today, so I won't open it up, but we do have a twin panel moonroof, as well as a screen that can be powered across. And you have a grab handle in the body, making it easier for the passenger to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome magnetic running board, chrome door handle with intelligent access, so when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. And you also have driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler, as well as a keyless entry keypad. In the back, the tailgate handle is body colored, and the tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below the handle is your backup camera, backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And you have this nice rolling tonneau cover. That's been an upgrade to this vehicle. And when we want to open up that tailgate, we can double click our fob and it powers it open for us. The box is nicely lined, tie downs in all 4 corners, and you also have box link, so you can secure items very easily. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and that nice wood grain inlay. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. You simply pull the tab, and you can then lift the seat. You have more room on the floor. Then to bring the seat back down, pull the tab again, pull down, and you also have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. In the center there's an armrest with a couple of cup holders, an all-weather mat on the floor, as well as extra carpeted mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. In the center, a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110, and USB outlets, as well as air vents on each side. There's a grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting, that panoramic view, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, which is part of the chrome appearance package, which includes chrome handles, grille, bumper, as well as running board and tow hooks, 6.5-foot box, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.